everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. This beautiful kitchen that you're seeing right now, we recently reestablished it, and in my today's video I'm gonna show you how the whole procedure went through and how you can reestablish a kitchen on a budget. So let's get started. So the first procedure was to break down the current structure what we had. So you can see my brother, my husband, and one of our handymen is helping him out to break everything, and then he will show you what is the next steps. Rahi, so what are you gonna do right now?
So I have old vinyl floors in my kitchen. I don't think they've been pulled apart in 5 to 10 years. So it's the most difficult thing ever. What we have to do, it's a shortcut. What you can do is you can take a steaming iron and you basically just steam it. What that really does is it won't allow your iron to stick to the tile. So your iron won't be messed up.
Okay. Just to put it out there, guys, my brother is definitely not a professional. He is a mechanical engineer. However, out of his personal curiosity and enthusiasm, he is really willing to remodel the kitchen. And that's why I'm doing the vlog, so you guys can learn something and enjoy it too. He does have his job Monday to Friday, but everything about kitchen remodeling, he did it throughout the weekend.
Morning, everyone. So we finished up taking all the adhesive floors out today, and what we focused on is taking this sink out. So
This sink?
Yeah, to take the sink out, you have a drain line at the bottom. You have to unscrew the drain line. But before anything, you have to turn the you gotta turn the hot and cold water line off, which are here. So once you have these lines turned off, right here, hot and cold water line, you take the main drain line out. Once you unscrew the main drain line, you pull the kitchen sink a little bit up, and then you unscrew these. These are the ones that connect to your faucet.
So that's how you took out the sink.
And after that, you just pull the sink out, and that's how you replace it. Saves you at least $400 from just renting out a plumber for you. All right?
So what else left to do now?
So now we're going to remove the sink base out. We're going to extend our gas line. We'll move the gas line, and after that we will cut the pipes and we will move the plumbing pipe on 1 foot to the left, because that's where our new sink is going to be.
Okay, so who's gonna assist you?
I have Uncle Randy who's doing the whole job, and I'm his helper.
Okay.
His unpaid apprentice at this point.
We want to see Uncle Randy. Uncle Randy, say hi to my viewers.
Hi. That's how we're going. We'll keep you guys updated.
Surely.
But the next target is our electrical. So pray for us.
And what about the gas line?
It's in the progress.
Okay. Alrighty.
Earlier, when we were scraping scraping the floor, one of our main things we were really looking for is to see that we don't have any inconsistency with bumps and any other things. Now what we're going to do to ensure the floor is level, so when I do put the new floor up, it's completely level. There won't be any wedges, because what happens whenever there is a wedge right in between your floor, whenever you step on it, it will make a squeaky noise. In worst cases, it can actually even break your tile or any other wood floor that you put. The solution for that, after that what we did, scraping, is this. I'll show you one of the bags. It's this. It's called...
Let me zoom in.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this bag, Level Quick RS, it's a self-leveling. What you do is you take half a bag and you mix it up with water. It should be consistency like peanut butter. And after that, you just lay it all over the floor. Use a broom or a ruler, a big ruler by the way, to really scrape it on, really put it all across the floor. After that it does, once it finds its way, it will level the floor by itself. So after 4 to 5 hours, it will basically self-adjust itself to the perfect height. So everything will be at level 0. So when you do put the new floor in, voila, nothing's gonna break and everything will be fantastic.
Are you going to give us a demo?
Absolutely. Let's go ahead and do it. First, always use your protective gear. The mask is one of the best options to really
And the boots?
Yes. And second thing, what you want to do is, it might not be the most conventional way, but I always put water in first.
Okay.
You don't have to have an exact amount in water, and I'll tell you guys the reason for it.
So you're just gonna eyeball it?
Yeah, you're eyeballing the water level. And the reason why you want to do that, so now when you do pouring, can you please step back? Please step back. For your own safety.
One second.
Alright. So,
is it cement?
it's not cement. It's actually a form of cement, but without the sand.
Okay.
So now, because I put the water in first, it will not stuck to the bottom of it.
So you're gonna mix it?
Yeah. So, we're almost done with our mixture. And as I told you guys,
Shows the
it's a little runny.
consistency.
This is a little runny. So that's perfect because you want it to flow like water. So what we're doing right now, we just laid it all over the floor. Now Uncle Randy is just spreading it all across the floor. What that really does, that's his own unique technique. In that way, it finds its level automatically. And we basically don't need to worry about another issue with uneven pouring.
So give us a demo.
Please look at it how he's spreading it all across the floor.
Look at the mess. Whoa. And here's the gas line. So update after 4 hours, it's already drying a little bit. The next update would be on wood flooring.
How's everyone doing, guys? I want to give you guys an update. So we're putting our floors in finally. When it came to my floor, after leveling it out, I went with vinyl plank solutions, the luxury vinyl. The best things about them, these are the new kinds where you have the tongue right here, so they will interlock to each other. And you also have a backboard, so you don't need an additional board. So you don't need an additional piece of board or layer before you lay this out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put them together. These are really good. The ones I got are life proof and they're 100% water resistant. I'll show you guys how to put one of them on so you have a good idea. This board, I'm going to put it with this one. I put some weight over there because this is a floating floor. So this, I'm going to plug it in with this one. There's an underlaying board, so I don't need to worry about anything. And there's clips, tongues over here that's going to click onto this one. So watch this, guys. I'm showing it just as a demo so you guys have an idea. Viewers, right now I can use one of them. I can hammer them in place. So it'll be a tight snug fit. And what I also do is I can just tap it right here. So you can't even tell there was anything at all. Alright?
So today is day 4. We ordered some cabinets, so half of them have arrived, so we're trying to install them, and Uncle Randy will be helping us. And as you can see, he's doing it properly. We needed some help because it was too much for my brother since he only have time on the weekend. So Uncle Randy is a big help, and my older brother is also helping us out. So today my brother have worked on the backsplash. Here are some pieces of the backsplash. Rahi, are you going to tell us what's your plan?
So we finished up everything. What we're doing right now, we're sticking them the corner pieces. The corner pieces are the hardest ones, so we will have to use a cutter. This to cut the exact measured pieces to put it in this corner. that would in return finish up whatever I was looking for.
Oh my god, it's 12 o'clock at night. Do you think you can manage to finish it tonight?
I'm praying for it. Let's hope for the best.
Okie dokie, all the best.
So backsplash is done, and finally today we got our final cabinet, the corner one. Due to the holidays, it was a little delayed, so my brother is installing it, and our stove has also arrived. Yoo-hoo! So now everything should be covered by the laminating of contract papers, since we're in a South Asian household and we have a lot of Korean oil splashes, so we just wanted to cover everything so it doesn't get sticky at all. And my brother's gonna also install the windows. As you could see, it's part of the house area, so we have some vegetable on the side. That's, you know, our regular kitchen work going on, so please don't mind. He's Rahi working hard. He already installed 2. And what tools are you using, Rahi?
Drill machine and a screwdriver.
So after the window, our kitchen should be all ready to use. I mean, we've been using it earlier, but yeah. So this is the final look. As you can see, we made it through the way we would like it. Try to make it as comfy as possible, as much light as possible. This is the stovetop from Samsung. They gave us very good service, installed it the way we wanted. And I have already showed you in a couple of videos when I was cooking and all. And as you can see, we already foiled it with aluminum foil because of the oil spatters and all that. I wanted to show it raw, but it's okay since I don't live here. I cannot always record things that I like. And this is the chimney and the top cabinet. The color coordination and everything was done by my brother. And the sink, the cabinet, everything is the way we like it. We loved how the countertop has came out. Perfectly coordinated with everything, and the windows are also set. And I loved that small detailing of the lighting here. And as you could see, we're still using the spices and all, so we kept it right next to the stovetop. And do get the sink cover, guys. It really helps to not get any scratches. And everything was just so perfect. I mean, your home, your kitchen is something that you love it and admire it, right? So it was just perfect for us. And the size of the sink is a little bit big, so I used to think like, why does my brother install such a big sink in our kitchen? But it does help a lot, guys. You can see the quick lighting here, plus the side table and the hanging microwave. Let me tell you guys, the side table helps a lot not to get messy with quick lunch, snack, and family time. Also, the microwave is another of my favorite item. Having it hanging really saves a lot of space. This is like a lifesaver. And my brother also covered it with some contract papers, same as the regular convection oven, so it doesn't get sticky at all, and your items or belongings stay protected. And as you can see, the backsplash, the backsplash looks so good. I mean, if you want, you can make it cheap with just regular contract papers, but my brother really wanted the quality, so he installed this way. And this is the lighting too. I wanted to touch everything, so please don't mind, like she went through everything. But yeah, you guys, the lighting is also beautiful. Like, I'm showing you different settings, so you can have it yellow lights, dim light. It's just our perfect home kitchen. So along with the lights, I also wanted to show you my favorite part of the kitchen is the lazy Susan behind the cabinets. Sometimes when you're in a hurry, or sometimes when guests come over and you have dishes behind the back and you want to reach it, with that lazy Susan, it's really helpful. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, stay well.